Welcome back to Dream Autos, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated compact SUVs of the year, the 2026 Renault Captur. Renault has given its best-selling urban crossover a fresh, new look, smarter tech, and an even more refined driving experience. Whether you're a city dweller looking for efficiency or someone who loves weekend getaways, the new Captur promises to deliver on all fronts. From the moment you set eyes on the 2026 Captur, you can tell this isn't just a minor facelift. The redesign team at Renault has taken a bold step forward with sharper lines, a reworked front grille, and new signature LED lighting that adds a sense of sophistication and dynamism. The redesigned bumper and sleeker profile enhance its sporty appeal, while the new alloy wheel options give it an assertive stance on the road. It's compact, stylish, and loaded with personality. Inside, the Captur has received a major upgrade in both comfort and technology. The cabin feels more premium than ever, with soft touch materials, improved seating comfort, and customizable ambient lighting that lets you set the mood. At the heart of the dashboard is a new 10.4-inch vertical touchscreen running Renault's latest OpenR Link infotainment system, now with Google built in. This means seamless access to Google Maps, Assistant, and the Play Store, right from your dashboard. The digital instrument cluster has also been enhanced, offering clearer graphics and more customization options. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and there's a new high-end sound system from Harman Kardon that truly elevates the in-cabin experience. Rear seat passengers get improved legroom thanks to the sliding rear bench, and the boot space remains one of the best in its class. Under the hood, Renault offers multiple powertrain options. The E-Tech Hybrid remains the star of the show, combining a 1.6-liter petrol engine with 2 electric motors and an automatic multi-mode gearbox. The result is a smooth, fuel-efficient ride with up to 80% electric driving in city traffic. For those who prefer a more traditional setup, Renault continues to offer mild hybrid petrol engines as well. Driving the 2026 Captur feels more confident than ever. Renault has fine-tuned the suspension and steering, making it better suited to both urban environments and open roads. Safety has also been stepped up, with the latest version featuring Level 2 autonomous driving capabilities. Adaptive cruise control, lane centering, emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition all come together to make your drive easier and safer. With the 2026 Captur, Renault proves once again that you don't have to compromise between practicality, style, and advanced tech. It's an SUV that adapts to your life, whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or escaping the city for a weekend adventure. If you're considering a compact SUV that delivers smart design, innovative features, and a comfortable ride, the 2026 Renault Captur deserves a top spot on your list. That's all for today's episode on Dream Autos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. See you next time.